Hello team, so today I clearly mentioned you many of the good trading movements in our pre-market analysis audio in the Telegram channel. Guys, अगर आपने Telegram की channel join नहीं करी है, then you must have to join this because here I'm daily posting the pre-market analysis and few updates regarding the markets. Okay, so you must have to join this Telegram channel. Now let's go to the market because ultimately market has shown us very good movements, and I am going to tell you what we have to look forward on tomorrow and day after the tomorrow. So you must have to watch out these post-market analysis videos and our pre-market analysis audio in the Telegram channel. So you will have the very good trading days ahead. So in the morning as market opened quite very much on the lower side, not at the expected level. Expected level was quite at the flat type, means near to the previous day close, but it opened very much on the downside and it was more than 1%. So naturally one can target to that particular level and move might be the magnet type of move. So today market actually shows us that particular type of movements. Let's discuss from the market profile as we are doing all of the days. So in the market profile, you can clearly see that in the opening, market went down after taking the support near from this DS4, it went up, touching this market profile POC, then again moving on the higher side and it got rejected from the high of the CPR. But here, what kind of trades that you can take during the live market? Very first was the rejection from the higher level near to the PDL level. So this was the very first trade, target to the DS4 range, exit over here. Then second on the higher side, but how? That's the very tricky one. When market is again moving and crossing the opening price with the good volatility and the very good volume, you can analyze that volume and orders from the order flow analysis. You can clearly see here. Okay, look at here. There is no seller available, only 2,400. But at the opposite side, means on the buying side, there is bigger volumes, and with there is nothing on the seller side. There is nothing. So this indicates you that market has some sort of very bullishness. Now this might be the short covering or long build up, but we do not care about that, whatever that can be. But the movement is there, so that's it. The price is moving on the higher side, price is moving on the lower side. Identify from the orders and go for the trade if you want to go for the trade. Okay, आज तो मेरा तो हॉलीडे था, मैंने आपको क्लियरली प्री मार्केट एनालिसिस के ऑडियो में कहा है, मैसेज में भी आपको कह दिया है कि वाई आई एम नॉट गोइंग टू ट्रेड टूडे. सो आज मैंने कुछ नहीं किया, जस्ट एनालाइज किया, having the fun of the market, that's it. So यहाँ पर very first on the lower side, then again on the higher side, and on the higher side as well, I clearly mentioned to you that you can go for the 1-to-1. Okay, you can hear these words from the pre-market analysis audio. I clearly mentioned you the trades that you can go for the 1-to-1 and you can go for the target of the initial balance low. Yesterday's initial balance low. So market actually gave you those particular targets here. This is the initial balance low. So market gave you the target in the morning over here. So whatever I have told to you, market actually gave you the move, and your day done with the bigger profits in the morning itself. Okay. On the last trading session, I have made big money in the opening. So today also, market gave you the same kind of movements, but today I was not trading. Why? Answer is in the Telegram channel. So this in the morning. Later on, as market is reversing, market is taking some support near to this previous day's market profile POC. This is the very good distribution. So market is again making some distribution at this place, then breaking that particular distribution, moving on the lower side. Okay. Showing you the sideways kind of movement, then again moving on the higher side, lower side, then again on the higher side. Now, what about the initial balance and the 6 steps of market days? Which kind of day is this? In my personal opinion, this is the typical day. Look carefully. Yes, this is the abnormal structure. What I am saying to you is, this is the abnormal structure, but this is the typical day. Okay, one must have to be careful about this. This is the typical day. Your day is done in the morning itself. Then you should avoid the market. You should avoid the trading. That's it. Irrespective of market movements. That's it. If you really want to become the professional, then you must have to follow this. That's it. There is no other things. Okay. So this is the typical day. Not the trading range day. Yes, the moments is like some kind of trading range day, but the overall day is the typical day. Mark my words. Okay. I am the master, so I knows better than you. Okay. Yes. Anyone can say anything, but it's my personal opinion that this is the typical day. That's it. Okay. Now let's move to the hourly time frame and daily time frame. Because this is quite very much interesting. Here you can clearly see that market is taking support from the WS3, and in the daily time frame you can clearly see that we are having the triangle breakout on the higher side. So market was quite very much near to that particular triangle target. So this is the 2580 points near to that. Okay, so in round figure I would like to say you that as why I'm reducing some of the target. Why? Because based on the volatility, whenever market has the good volatility and it gives you the target very fast, okay, then we must have to be flexible. So from this breakout point to today's low, market has gave you more than the 2500 point. So this target is accomplished. Okay, in the morning I was at one of my friend's office and I was explaining him that the possible support areas like this is the one level, one must have to look for these, then this is the target range, and as I said, this one. So market actually did all such things today. Okay, now let's go to the order flow. I am not going to discuss the order flow for the whole day, but of the morning itself. So in the opening, market open, moved on the higher side. This is the fake kind of movement, and as I clearly mentioned to you that you must have to be very light in the opening. Kindly try to avoid the very first candle, the opening movements. Okay, clearly said in the pre-market analysis audio and after the actual market opening as well, means after 9-8. So you have to avoid the movement. Then as market is reversing from the higher side, and you have to go for the trade once it is breaking this opening price with the good volatility. Now target to this DS4. So your day is done over here. What's the range over here? If let's say from this to this, it's more than 200 point of fall. This is very near to the 300 point fall. So one movement over here, another as market is moving on the higher side, and you can clearly see that there is no selling pressure at this place, only the buying is there. So you can go for the trade once market is breaking the opening range once again on the higher side with the good movements, with the good volatility, with the good volumes, orders. So you have to go for the trade at this place and where to exit. Now let me move forward on the higher side as we are reaching on the higher side near to the CPR and all such levels. Now look at the order flow datas, the delta, minimum delta, maximum delta. Okay, look at here. In this very first candle, what is the minimum delta? 825, maximum is 99,000, and the closing delta, final delta is 94,000. Okay, I am not considering this 100 figures, but you can understand that. Now in this second candle, what is the minimum delta? Minus 1000. Maximum 125k and final 124k. So this is also the very good delta. Now in this candle, look at here. This is the final confirmation from the data. If you are really following the numbers, then this is the final confirmation that the minimum delta is minus 10,000, maximum delta is 28,000, and final delta is 15,000, like that. Okay. So from the high, from the max delta, market was falling with the bigger volumes, and final delta was half of that. So this is the clear indication that market has some sort of weakness in the current up movement. And what's the overall movement if we consider from this level where there is no sellers? Okay, so from this to this closing, so this is the more than 600 point. And what more you need in the single day and in the opening itself within the 20 minutes, within the 20 minutes. So definitely this is suggesting you that you must have to close your system and have a happy trading day ahead. कि आपको अब यहाँ पर what you have to do, you must have to avoid the trading for the vol day. Why? Because you have missed this. Okay, the rule for the typical day is this, that you must have to grab the opportunities in the opening itself, and then you can shut down the system and enjoy your day with your family, and you can have the true financial freedom. Okay, so this is the typical day and there is nothing. Okay, yes, the overall movement is there, good volatility was there, but as per the 6 types of market days concept, this is the typical day and one must have to avoid the trading. That's it. Yes, if you are going to have any chart patterns, then definitely you can go for the trade. But in my personal opinion, this is the very big movements in the opening and one should avoid the trading. That's it. Now what about the next day, means tomorrow, day after tomorrow? As I analyzed, I'm not going to show you now, but in my personal opinion, I analyzed the market and it is showing us the bullishness. Okay, it is showing us the reversal, somewhat higher side movements from now on. But on the higher side as well, you must have to analyze these levels. Let's go to this chart. Okay, we have seen this. Now if market is going to move on the higher side, then you must have to look for this level. Okay, this is the 41,540 range in the spot chart. So you must have to look for this level. Whenever market is going to approach this level, you must have to look for this level. Okay, and in the on the 1st February, as we are going to have the budget and also the new month, we are going to have the new month CPR, new month Scambrilla. So there will be some different analysis. Okay, so I'm going to say you all such things later on. So stay tuned on this YouTube channel and kindly join the Telegram channel as well, because you are going to have the very good market updates and good trading ideas in the pre-market analysis audio as well. So guys, this is it for the today. I'm not going to discuss this. Okay, this is not the part. Yes, the overall market movement is that, but we have to avoid. That's it. Okay, we have to avoid. Rather to wait for the whole day for the good trading opportunities. And if you are going to have the good moves in the opening itself, then which is the better one? The better one is the opening. The better one is the morning within the initial balance formation. Okay, if you are having the typical day, then this is the very best opportunity. Then whole day, nothing. So this is it for the today. Kindly like to this video, subscribe to this channel, and if you have any queries or if you want to share something, then kindly do comment below this video. Thank you guys for watching this video.